Everybody is looking for fresher, tastier produce. So why not get it straight from the source at 360 Farms? At 360 Farms and Winery in Albany, Georgia, we believe healthy, fresh food should be available to everyone. That's why we deliver locally grown, organic produce right to your table. Our crops are nurtured with care, harvested at their peak, and delivered fresh every week. Take our bell peppers, for example. Sweet, crisp, and bursting with flavor. Perfect for salads, stir fries, or just snacking with a dip. Here's a quick tip. Bell peppers thrive in warm weather. Make sure they get plenty of sunlight, at least 6 hours a day, and water them consistently to keep them happy. But it's more than just great produce. Every purchase helps support 360 Albany, our nonprofit partner dedicated to community development, food security, and local empowerment. So, join us in cultivating a stronger community, one bell pepper at a time. Visit us at 801 W Highland Ave, Albany, or call 229-800-60 to place your order today.